Welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse, and what may initially look like a dinner plate is actually a rimmed English soup bowl. Beautifully decorated, dates from 1883 through to around 1887. I think we've got quite a short window of production on these due to the factory history. Show you the side elevation, there you go. A rimmed English soup bowl. Where do you make the jump between soup bowl and soup plate? Well, it's usually around 10 inches in diameter, and these are 10 and 5/8. Something very William Morris about this design. Always makes me think of his fabrics. No connection, I don't think, with the design, but it's just such a beautiful palette that they've used here. If I bring it up in close detailing, basically got a brown and white printed earthenware bowl that's then hand decorated. So every one of these flowers is unique and different, and the sets are, have that little bit of individuality about them. And the central bowl with the sunflowers in, again, the colours on those very, very individual. Let's show you the China mark because this is really nice. Sampson Hancock SH with the diamond date marks for the registration on the patent, so 1883. You can look that up. And Palmyra, not particularly well printed on this, a little bit of a break in the banner Palmyra, but that is the pattern or design. Now, just a little condition note on these. If I bring it in closely and get the reflection, you can see some very fine glaze crazing that's occurred over the very long period of time that these bowls have been in existence. They display absolutely beautifully. Let me put that back in its little stand at the back of this thing. That's the right way up. Obviously there is an upright and an incorrect way of displaying these. The bowl should be in its upright position, but isn't that a wonderful splash of colour on a very, very nice combined palette. So 10 and 3/8 inch antique English Sampson Hancock. Let me get that right. Palmyra soup bowl or plates, 10 and 3/8 inch in really good antique condition. We've got 5 of them available. They're all in as good condition as the one we've demonstrated for you here this afternoon, and they're going on sale from the UK Vintage and Antiques website, and we'll try and get a link in the YouTube description below, which will take you directly through to our website listing. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.